Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SugarCRM SPF and DKIM setup checklist, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your SugarCRM account. Navigate to the admin section in the main dashboard. Locate the email settings option and click on it. Check if your domain is already configured for sending emails. If not, add your email domain in the relevant field. Next, open your domain's DNS management console through your domain registrar. To verify the SPF record, look for a TXT record in your DNS settings. The SPF record should include your mail server's IP address and the include directive for SugarCRM. An example SPF record might look like this: v equals SPF1 include SugarCRM.com all. Once you have verified, in SugarCRM, navigate to the DKIM section under the email settings. If DKIM is not enabled, toggle the setting to enable it. You will see a public key generated for DKIM authentication. Copy this public key. Return to your DNS management console. Create a new TXT record for DKIM. The record name should include your domain followed by _domain key. Paste the public key you copied into the TXT record. Make sure to save the changes in your DNS. Now, go back to SugarCRM and look for the Verify button for both SPF and DKIM. Click the Verify button for SPF first and wait for the confirmation message. If the SPF record is correctly configured, you will receive a success message. Now click the Verify button for DKIM. Once again, wait for the confirmation message. If everything is set up correctly, both SPF and DKIM should be successfully verified. To finalize the setup, ensure your DNS changes have propagated. This might take some time, depending on your domain registrar. Once you confirm successful verification, you can start sending emails confidently from SugarCRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.